Did y'all catch that? It's leaking. The metal tubing is leaking. This is my second one in less than a month. The company is awesome, whereas they actually do a return with no problem, with ease. Although you have to pay someone to remove it, but it's leaking. See, it's water. It's water. And it's this metal tubing is actually leaking from up here because the water trickles down. So this side is dry, but it's hot to touch. So it's innovative, yes, but it's causing a lot of unnecessary time waste, and it's a hassle. So if you don't have to get it, well, that's my review. I stick with the old school. You saw it? It's dripping. See? Water is trickling down. And it's just a small trickle. I got towels and bags on the floor to catch the water. It's wet underneath here, just mildly wet. But yeah, this bad boy. Look at. Man, come on now. This